Mood lighting is easily accomplished by installing a dimmer switch. Here's how to do it. First, find the style of dimmer switch that goes with your decor from the variety of choices at the Home Depot. Now gather these tools. Step 1 is always safety. Turn off the power source by shutting off the breaker. Once the power is off, take the screws out of the switch plate to remove it. Double-check to make sure the power is off by using the voltage tester. If no voltage is detected, it's safe to proceed. Unscrew the screws on the side of the switch. Then, using the needle nose pliers, unwrap the wires from the screw and remove the switch. Find the wires on the dimmer and trim if necessary. Using your fingers, twist together the green wire on the dimmer with the ground wire in the wall. Then place a wire nut over the braided wires and turn clockwise to secure. Repeat the procedure with the other dark and black wires. If you have a 3-pole switch, be sure to cap the remaining wire. Next, push the wires and dimmer into the switch box, secure with the provided screws, and attach the cover plate. Finally, turn the breaker back on and test the dimmer. Make sure you get the properly sized dimmer for your particular lighting fixtures. Most standard dimmers are rated for 600 watts. And that's it, you're done. Thank you for shopping at the Home Depot.